Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix network protocol errors in Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now, select Run as Administrator. Now, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter again to refresh your connection. Next, type netwinsock reset and hit Enter. You will see a message telling you to restart your computer, so type exit, press Enter, and restart your system to complete the process. After that, open Control Panel and go to Network and Internet. Then Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings, right-click your Ethernet connection, and select Properties. Double-click on IPv4. Then select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8888 as the preferred DNS and 8844 as the alternate DNS, then click OK. So that's basically how you can fix network protocol errors in Minecraft. That's it for this video. Thanks!